It's 44 past 5. Yesterday's NBN speed test with MyRepublic gave a pretty good result, which I just did another quick one there, 37 up and 70 down. Pretty impressed with that. Got me thinking that I should probably back up my external hard drives using CrashPlan. I've already had a CrashPlan account. I used to just use it only to back up my pictures folder and my music folder. And that actually is over 2 terabytes, but I've been uploading that. Well, it's already uploaded. It probably took about a year and a bit to get it all up there. And now it just does the little backups whenever it changes. But now that I have a decent upload speed, I figured I probably should back up my external drives, starting with this guy here, Tracer tour videos and footage and audio from all the tours we've done. So I think that's close to 2 terabytes. But then I've got over here, I've also got all of these guys to go up. So I'm gonna basically, this is the first one, that's 2 terabytes. That's 3 terabytes. That's 8 terabytes, and that's another 3 terabyte. And then I've also got other ones that I'm adding to that, another 8 terabytes. So all of this is gonna go up on CrashPlan. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the process now with the Tracer one. I'll just plug this guy in and I will let you know. I'm not sure how much data's on this. I know it's a 2 terabyte drive, but it might not be full. So what I'll do is in the description, I'll put how much data is on this drive, and I'll just let you know when this upload finishes. At whatever time, like today, what is it today? The 26th of May. I don't do the date on my daily vlogs, I just do the time. 26th of May, and actually this is loading now so I can show you how much data is on this. Tracer tour footage. Here's the disc here, Tracer tour footage. That is a 3 terabyte, it's a 3 terabyte drive. And I have used 2.17 terabytes. So, let's open CrashPlan. Preferences. Sorry, this is boring to watch. But what I will do, I'll go to the web page of CrashPlan. Show CrashPlan. No, manage account online. I chose the wrong option. Here we go. It's going to come here anyway. So this is my current plan I'm on. I have up. This is my local drive, 4 terabytes. That's already backed up. So what I need to do is add another drive to this. I need to change that and Tracer tour footage. And that's all I need to do. And go save. Now let's see. Scanning. It's going to scan that drive. And then that'll take forever to scan because it's actually, well, what's it doing? It's cataloging the drive. But when it does come up, I'll tell you how long it's going to take. This is going to take, even with this 70 down, what was today? 37 up, and I'm over here. Even with 70 down and 37 up, this is still going to take a long time. So that drive's going to be plugged in there. I'm going to leave my computer on, and we're just going to see how long this process takes. And then when that's done, we'll get onto these guys. And starting with number 1, working our way through. And well, we're lucky we've got an unlimited data on this internet connection. So it doesn't matter how much data we send, we just pay the same each month. It's actually $60, pretty cheap.